guys, what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. My closet has been a hot mess, and so in today's video I decided that I would show you guys how I declutter and organize it. I hope this video can provide you with some helpful tips and ideas on ways that you can organize and declutter your closet. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. Now, let's get on with the closet organization. Alright, so don't come for me. I know it's a mess, but this is the current state of my closet. I know. So right here is like, I guess you would call the linen portion of my closet. I have my like towels and blankets stored right here. I have like just general supplies, extra basket from my TV stand video, which you should definitely go ahead and check out. It's up right now. And then like a random basket, toilet paper, whatever. Right here I have my pants folded, which I don't think this is the best method of folding them. Over here I have my work clothes, I have my outerwear, I have my shoes, and then I have like my dresses and stuff. So that's, my clothes are kind of like all over the place. All right, and over here is kind of the really bad part. This used to be my vanity and I don't want to get rid of it because I really like it and I do think I'll be able to use it. So right now I just kind of like threw the chair and the vanity in here. I have this little wall piece that I put my jewelry on. I have my bags up here. I have a bunch of storage stuff here. So needless to say, my closet's a hot mess and I'm gonna organize it with you guys. I'm gonna be organizing and decluttering. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that now because I can't live another day of my closet looking like this. All right, so this is all of my jewelry. This is like jewelry, perfume. This is some bathing suits. I have some headbands and scarves and just a bunch of random stuff on top of this. And so I'm gonna first start off by clearing this out. I'm gonna put all of my jewelry on this cork board. I like putting it on here because I feel like it helps keep my jewelry organized. So I'm just gonna actually just go through all of this, see what I want, see what I don't want, and I'll record myself doing that now. Alright, so now that I cleared off all of the space off of my vanity, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all of my clothes on top of this clothing rack. So I just got done moving all of my clothes onto this top rack. And that was a lot of work. I've gotten rid of some stuff. I'm keeping some stuff. I'm checking to see if some stuff fits. So now I think I'm gonna go through my shoes, and then I think that's about it for my clothes. I just have shoes and bags that I want to get done today, and then I want to actually go through like fixing the storage. Alright, so I just got done going through my shoes. There wasn't really much to show because I just went through these about a couple of weeks ago. I almost got rid of these white shoes, but I decided to keep them just in case. They're just basic white Converse, and you know, you never know. The shoes that I am getting rid of, this is very embarrassing, are these little, like, you put these in your purse, and then if you're wearing heels, you can take off your heels and wear these. But what in the world, like, these are expired. I don't even remember I don't even remember when I bought these, but I do think it's time to let them go. They're literally ripping to shreds. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually wait until tomorrow to do all of this because I'm thinking that I need to pull everything out at this point and just kind of figure out a new configuration for everything. So we're gonna leave the rest of the closet for tomorrow. All right, hey guys, what's up? It's the next day. Yesterday I went and reorganized all my clothes. So today I decided that I'm going to pull everything out of my closet, look at what I have, reorganize and put it back in. And so let's begin. So I just got done moving everything out of my closet. My room is a hot mess right now, but I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like. So my closet is looking pretty bare. This is the linen closet side. These are all my clothes up here. I have my shoes down here with my little rain boots, and then all my excess hangers. And then back here, as I've mentioned, I have just like the clothes that I don't wear very often. These are nice dresses, blazers, all that. The only thing I have up here right now is my sewing machine, and then I have these two shelves empty, and then my towels and linens and just like rags and stuff. So now I'm about to get all of this stuff out of this mess and organize it in here. But before I put things in, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep really quick because these floors are looking a little crazy. Alright, so that you have some context as to what I'm doing now, I have these two bins. This bin is the bin that I have a bunch of my stuff in that I reach for very often. So like, for example, I have my blow dryer in there. I have some light bulbs, things like that, where it's like you might not need it every day, but it's still good to be in like arm's length. This bin, when I moved, I just threw everything that I had no idea what to do with in here, which I definitely want to go through this and make sure that I need these things, and if I don't, toss them or give them away or whatever the case may be. So that's what I'm about to do now. Alright guys, so I just got done organizing and decluttering my closet and it looks amazing. Are you ready? Alright, so when you first walk in, you see this little linen area. I was able to make so much space. And if you go this way, you will see my shoes. I have them all organized. I don't know if you remember how my clothes looked before, but they were all over the place, and now they're all on one rack, which is very helpful. So it goes from dresses to work clothes, and then I have some cardigans, my jeans, and then my regular shirts, sweaters, and outerwear. Over here, I was able to get a little shelf from IKEA, which I have some hats up here. I have my bathing suits. I have some jewelry, my steamer, headbands and scarves, my, what are these called? Sunglasses and belts. Down here, I have like a little box of memories, and then this is empty. Over here, I have some supplies, a level. I have some artwork, and then back here, I have things that I'm not gonna need too often. And then for my favorite part, I was able to fit my vanity in this little area. So this is where I'm going to be doing my makeup, putting on my jewelry, spraying some of my perfumes and stuff. So I was able to put my jewelry up on this little cork board. I have my perfumes on this side. I have my makeup on this side. I was able to get this little mirror with a light on it, so that'll be very helpful, especially because this room gets a little dark. But overall, it looks so good. All right, so that was my closet organization and declutter. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had such a fun time shooting it. I really hope this video can provide you with inspiration on decluttering and organizing your closet. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below with what organization you want to see next, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you on the next one. Bye.